Hi, my name is Amber Viewig, and I am going to be presenting Ahaslides. So Ahaslides is an online platform that is a website, and you can find it at ahaslides.com. And I searched for it in the App Store to see if you could download it as an app, and it is not possible to do that. But they do have a YouTube channel where you can find a lot of information about it on their channel here. And then there is also an Instagram account where you can find information on their Instagram account, which is also just called Ahaslides. So I'm obviously going to be presenting on Ahaslides. So when you go to the website, you would just log in with Google email or another email that you have as shown here. Okay, so I'm just going to log in with my Google email, my school Google email. And it brings you to this, and I had already made an account, so you can see that I already have some stuff in here. Okay, but when you come in, it'll have you, it'll give you an option to create or use a template or upload your own, but you can get to those places in here as well once you've already made an account. So there's 4 levels of pricing, so we'll go over the pricing for all of it. You've got the 4 levels here. You've got the free, and you can use them with an audience size of 7. And you can use it includes all the interactive slide types. Essential gives you an audience size of 50, and it's $7.95 a month. And it allows you to export slides to PDF or JPEG and export to Excel, and adds audio. Then you can go to the plus option, which is $10.95 a month, and that gives you an audience size of 200. And this also exports to Excel, and you get export slides to PDF, JPEG, and add audio. Then you can also do the Pro, which is your biggest package, which gives you an audience size of up to 10,000, and it gives you authentic audience before events, video call with audience, and custom logo. So those are your packages possible within Ahaslides itself. I right now just have the free option so that I could show you what is going on with it. So I'm going to move myself over here. All right, so when you go back to here, obviously, like I said, that you need Wi-Fi in order to use this program. It is a cloud-based presentation platform, and people can join the presentation online virtually or in person. So you can use it if you're teaching a class virtually, or you can use it if you're in person with your students. And you can get responses as you go throughout your presentation. So the way that you would do this is there's a couple options here. You can import a presentation that you've already created. So you'd push import, and then you would browse your files. So if I just grab this one that I had already made, then it's going to convert it. Sorry, it takes a second to import it into the program. So as you can see, you can have up to 100 slides that you pull into it, and you can upload a PDF, a PowerPoint, or PowerPoint TX, and then you can also import from Google Slides, which I will show you in just a minute. So then you're going to go ahead and grab your thing once it has imported, and this is my PowerPoint that I imported. Okay, and then when you look here, you can add a slide right here. You can add text, you can add image, GIFs. There's a lot of things you can add. And then you can also add, this is where you would add your polls. There's so many different types: short answer, match pairs, pick image, spinner wheel, polls, open-ended, word cloud, brainstorm, Q&A, scales, so many different things that you can add, okay? So you would add things to your already existing PowerPoint that way. And if you click on one of them, it offers tutorials to help you know exactly how to fill in the slides, which is a really nice option. And then you can also see the participant view so that you can see what the people are going to see once you add this into your PowerPoint. So then you would just push present once you're ready, or preview if you are wanting to see what it'll look like first. You can share your slides this way with a copy of the URL, or you can give a copy of the QR code. You can also just use a template that they have already created if you don't want to pull in your own slides. And then you can also just create completely from scratch and get a blank one as well, and just do it that way. So in the classroom, I would obviously probably use this. Some people might use it as an exit ticket, or vocabulary matching, which is a level 1 on the Bloom's scale because you're defining and memorizing. You could do short answer, which would be like comparing and contrasting, which would be a level 2 on the Bloom scale, because that would be like processing and that type of a activity. You could also use other options would be to do a poll for a debate, which would move you farther up into the Bloom scale, because then you would be analyzing it and getting ready to do that. And on the SAMR scale, that would also be a redefine, because you're collaborating. A lot of them I also think are more of a modification on the SAMR scale, because you're allowing interaction and through the group technology.